So now next what we use is यो चाहिँ अब अलिकति डिफिकल्ट वर्डिङहरु भयो जसमा चाहिँ we need to know कि कुन बेला हामी कुन युज गर्छौं भनेर. So the first one we have is there. अब जतिखेर पनि there हुन्छ there ले चाहिँ के देखाउँछ भने there are two types of there, एउटा THERE एउटा THEIR भनेर. So we have talked about this like previous videos मा पनि कि एउटा there चाहिँ मान्छेहरुलाई indicate गर्नलाई युज हुन्छ भने अर्को there is used for places. अनि यो there चाहिँ it's used for indicating places or like specific ठाउँहरु नै कि उता राख्देऊ भनेर भनेको भने keep it there भन्न खोजिरहेको छ. So यसमा चाहिँ हामी के युज गर्छौं भने there were nice people weren't there. So there मा चाहिँ हामी there नै युज गर्छौं क्वेशन ट्याग मा पनि because like हामीले प्लेस लाई नै जनाउँदै छौं. So for there we use there. Next we have is that or this. अब जतिखेर सेन्टेन्स को स्टार्टिङ मा that or this हुन्छ त्यतिखेर चाहिँ क्वेशन ट्याग को लास्ट मा के युज गर्ने त त्यतिखेर चाहिँ we use it. So let's see. That is a good question, isn't it? किनभने that ले चाहिँ it's indicating one thing, कुनै एउटा कुरालाई इन्डिकेट गरेछ, कुनै एउटा थिङ लाई इन्डिकेट गरेको छ. So we use it. So that is a good question. त्यो राम्रो क्वेशन थिएन र, isn't it? Next we have is those. For those we use they. So those are his parents, aren't they? Those भनेको दुईटा मान्छेलाई those are his presents aren't they? So those भनेको चाहिँ धेरै क्वान्टिटीमा भएको कुरालाई चार पाँच वटा क्वान्टिटीमा भएको कुरालाई जनाइरहेको छ कि those are his presents. यो कुरा चाहिँ उसको presents छ aren't they like छैन र भनेर यता चाहिँ this is a positive statement, so you using aren't they as a negative one. So the next one we have anything composed by body or one. For like somebody, someone, everybody, everyone, यो सब चाहिँ यसमा चाहिँ पर्छ. यो compose भएको body र one ले composed by body or one. So त्यसमा चाहिँ for question tag we use they or one. For example, everybody left early, didn't they? Everybody. Someone left you. Or else we can use somebody left bread, didn't they? त्यसरी नै हामी one को युज गर्छौं, someone पनि युज गर्छौं, everybody पनि युज गर्छौं. So everybody left early, didn't they? Everybody ले चाहिँ plural form को मान्छेहरुलाई जनाइराको छ, लाइक धेरै जना मान्छेहरुले एकैचोटीमा लीव गर्यो. So didn't they? Now the next example we have is one never knows. Does one? One मा चाहिँ we use one नै. यो compose भएको one छ भने someone छ भने that is a different thing. अनि one छ भने that's a different thing. So one never knows. Does one? Next, singular, first person. यसमा चाहिँ के हुन्छ भने कुनै नि एउटा सिंगुलर फर्म छ मान्छेको and then first person लाई डिनोट गरेको छ भने we use aren't I. For example, I am late, aren't I? Or else I am not late, am I? So त्यसरी चाहिँ हुन्छ. यो चाहिँ पोजिटिभ स्टेटमेन्ट थियो. I am late, so यो नेगेटिभ आयो, नेगेटिभ भएको भए पोजिटिभ आउँथ्यो. For example, I am not late, am I? Question mark. So the next one we have is have, except for present perfect and past perfect. जतिखेर पनि have use हुन्छ, except if present perfect मा use भएको छ, past perfect मा use भएको छ भने हामी यो कुरा चाहिँ use गर्दैनौं. तर if यो दुईटामा use भएको छैन, then we use do or did. सो यसमा के हुन्छ भने you had the car repaired, didn't you? He had to go at once, didn't he? They have breakfast later, don't they? So see, have यो had चाहिँ have को different form भयो, यो पनि had को different form भयो, अनि यो चाहिँ have आफै भयो. So you had the car, didn't you? You had the car repaired, didn't you? यो चाहिँ एउटा पोजिटिभ सेन्टेन्स हो हैन. अनि त्यसपछि चाहिँ हामीले त्यसलाई नेगेटिभमा क्वेसन ट्यागमा राखेका छौँ. एन्ड देन वी गो फर he had to go at once, didn't he? Again, this is a positive statement and this is a negative one. Then we use they have breakfast later, don't they? Again, you एउटा positive sentence छ, so we use negative question tag. So this is all about question tags अनि के कसरी युज गर्ने हो भनेर negative adverbs, imperatives, and then these, there, those, they, etc. And yeah, so that's it for this video. Thank you.